How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I am going to do how to get veins to pop out of your arms easy. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So first exercise that we're going to do is we're going to do twists. So 20 reps, 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 20. Quick 5-second little break. Okay, next exercise that we're going to do is arm circles. So 15 reps one way, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 14, 15, 15 the other way. 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Perfect. Quick 5-second little break. Okay, next exercise that we're gonna do is squeezes. So get your hand and then just squeeze. We're gonna hold this for 25 seconds. And again, really, really important, you squeeze. You guys gotta squeeze. Squeeze really, really hard. This is how you get veins to pop out of your arms really, really easy, you guys. So just squeeze, 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 squeeze. Almost there, keep squeezing. Perfect, quick little break. We're then gonna do overhead extensions. So 20 reps, 1, 2. And again, the reason why I do 20 reps most of the times is because we want high repetitions. We don't wanna do 10 reps, we don't wanna do 5 reps. We want to do high repetitions. This is what really gets the blood flowing, gets the veins popping. 6, 7, 8, 10. Perfect. Quick 5-second little break. Okay, the next one that we're going to do is we're going to do curls. So we're going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. 15, 16, 19, 20. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we're gonna go back to twists. So 1, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 25. Perfect, you guys. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.